Hi, everybody, and thank you for joining us. My name is Scott Smith, president of FactRight, and we're going to talk today about our second video today on ongoing due diligence, the process, and our reporting product. In our prior video, which you can see on the resources page of our website, factright.com, we discussed our financial and portfolio research. That analytical research informs us on the scope and extent of our third-party due diligence on a quarterly basis. With me today is Brandon Raatikka, Vice President of FactRight. He's deeply involved and deeply experienced in this work. With that, I'd like to turn it over to Brandon to talk more about our process and our reporting product. Go ahead, Brandon.
Thanks, Scott. Hello, everyone. In another presentation, analyst Kemp Hanley has explained FactRight's procedures for research on an investment program's financial performance and portfolio. Ongoing due diligence on the program's other aspects is just as important as this robust research. Broker-dealers need continual monitoring of the program's corporate governance and management, fee structure, investment mandate, and legal and financial developments in order to properly service individual clients invested in these programs, and also to pull a selling agreement when red flags may arise. And FactRight can keep you updated and your files current on your platform's programs. Innovation is one of FactRight's core values. We always welcome feedback on how to improve services to our clients. We've recently spoken to several broker-dealer clients to see what serves best their needs for ongoing due diligence on publicly reporting programs like non-traded REITs and BDCs. Based on that feedback for this quarter and going forward, we have significantly redesigned our quarterly review process to be able to provide enhanced ongoing due diligence to our clients. We think that the resulting quarterly report supplement will provide you need to effectively monitor the programs on your platform. Before I talk about FactRight's ongoing due diligence process, let me tell you about the team that undertakes it. I'm an attorney, having been licensed in Minnesota for 7 years after obtaining my law degree from the University of Minnesota. I've worked with FactRight for over 6 years and have overseen the due diligence assessment of more than 350 public, non-traded, and private investment programs. I manage FactRight's ongoing due diligence process. Our team includes 2 other attorneys who have significant experience with legal and governance assessment of such programs, one of whom is also a CAIA charter holder. Additionally, our team includes a CFA Level 3 candidate that provides asset level review. Let's move on to our new process. Now, we've always reviewed every public filing during the relevant quarter, but now we also rely on a more extensive management questionnaire and request for information, or RFI, to drill down on material developments that might warrant further investigation. FactRight's quarterly review RFI is in 3 parts. The first part is our standard document request that is designed to cover every material governance document, agreement, financing arrangement, legal or regulatory event, and investment criteria that is new or has changed during the prior quarter. The investment program must already disclose these developments in public filings, but we request and review the underlying document to ensure that disclosure is accurate and to determine whether additional discussion with management is needed on these items. The document request includes a list of investments and pipeline as of the date of the RFI, so we are able to report on acquisition activity since the 10K or 10Q may have been filed. The second part of the RFI is the management questionnaire, which covers fundraising status, plans to obtain or maintain MFFO coverage, discussion of any change in investment mandate, and management turnover. It asks for management to confirm that the investment program is in compliance with all loan covenants and that it has reasonable belief it will continue to be so over the next 12 months, that there have been no material adverse developments related to the financial position of the sponsor, advisor, or other critical entities, and that there is no known threatened material litigation, among other things. Part 3 of the RFI is comprised of management executed certification that information provided to FactRight pursuant to the RFI is complete, true, and accurate in all material respects. After we receive the certified RFI, we schedule a conference call with management to further discuss any material quarterly developments related to the investment program that are uncovered through our review of the public filings and information provided through the RFI. Direct discussions with those running the investment program can provide insights that can't be delivered through public disclosures alone. Our quarterly supplements will bring you these insights when appropriate. For instance, we asked management about plans for capital deployment and the current pipeline. Is fundraising creating pressure to deploy capital quickly, and what assurances can management provide that it will be able to continue to acquire accretive assets but not sit on cash too long? We may ask about specific acquisitions or investments. We inquire as to the management's debt strategies. How does the capital structure look now, and how will it change once the full program is fully invested? We will ask management when it expects the program will be able to fully cover its distributions from MFFO or cash flow from operations, and how it will get there. We may also discuss changes in investment or governance structure as appropriate. Overall, our discussion helps us to provide a picture of where management intends to take the investment program over the short and long term. After review of filings, underlying documents, the certified questionnaire, and our discussion with management, we provide a brief supplement each quarter to the initial full FactRight review. As we said, it is a document that is based on management certification of material information, including litigation, financial, and governance-related developments, which can go right into your due diligence files. It includes Westlaw background checks on any new executives and directors. It will highlight any changes to fee structures. It provides a sophisticated analysis of the investment program's financial performance and portfolio, as Kemp discussed on a previous video. And most importantly, it identifies and assesses any new risks or red flags that have arisen since the last quarterly review. In short, it is truly indispensable ongoing due diligence. With that, I'll turn it over to Scott, who will speak about accessing our quarterly review supplements and all of our reports through FactRight's online report center. Scott?
Brandon, thank you for that presentation. I'm hoping, and we're hoping, that there are two takeaways you've had from this video. First, FactRight has a deep, diverse, and experienced bench of professionals that has allowed us to innovate and evolve over time. And secondly, we listen to our broker-dealer clients. We want to hear from our broker-dealer clients. We want to hear from you in terms of the feedback you have on our product and on our process. With that, I want to talk about one change we have made recently in listening to our broker-dealer community, and that is developing the report center and how we have changed the distribution of our reports. In the fourth quarter of 2013, we developed a new report center on our website. It's a username, password protected website where in 24/7 access you can obtain our third-party reports. The username is always connected to a broker-dealer email address, so only FINRA members and home office due diligence staff can access our broker-dealer report center. Sponsors are not allowed into our report center, neither is the general public, so you can feel safe and secure with what we've done. Our administrators provide broker-dealers with usernames and passwords to access our website. Once you're there, here's what you'd see. You'll see a category of all the available reports that we've produced. If there is a report category, or if there is a particular report within a category that you'd like to see, we'd like to hear from you. Call us, email us. We will contact the product sponsor and request a FactRight report and produce ongoing quarterly due diligence if it's a registered product. What we're trying to do with this report center is ease the distribution delivery of our information. You can gain access to this information anywhere on any device. It will evolve over time. We'll continue to evolve it as we hear from you, get your feedback, hear your needs, and hopefully you find that, as we do, that this is one of the easiest methods of delivery that you've maybe ever experienced with third-party due diligence. So to recap on the topic of this video, ongoing due diligence and quarterly supplements, please, if you have any questions, reach out to Brandon Raatikka. Here's his email. You can also contact him by phone at the phone number that's listed on this page. I'd also like to take the opportunity to introduce FR Risk Management and its services. We're a broker-dealer services organization through FR Risk Management. One new product that you might be interested in this year is advisor-level due diligence from a third-party provider like FR Risk Management. That's another product of listening to our clients. They asked us to support their advisors, and we've done so through a new product called Advisor Due Diligence. We also work deeply with the home offices. We understand our broker-dealers very well, their risk tolerance levels, etc., their investment committee members. So we're able to provide them with platform recommendations, confident, comfortable platform recommendations for their files at their investment committee meetings. As always, we appreciate the time you spent with us today on this video, and hopefully you've learned more about who we are and possibly learned how to improve upon your ongoing due diligence procedures at your home office. We take deep pride in providing the highest quality third-party due diligence available. I take deep pride in that personally, and I'd like to hear from you personally. So if you have any questions, if you'd like to introduce yourself to me, I'm wide open. Please call me at this number. Email me. I will reach back out to you personally. If you have any questions in general, I can take those as well. And you can go to our FactRight website, www.factright.com, to learn more about who we are, our people, because in the essence, at the core, that's who we are as our people, our products and our services. Thank you again, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.